Not everyone's ready to dedicate themselves to trading and spend all day staring at the screen. But let's be real, who wouldn't want passive income? Hi, I'm Agatha. I've been trading for 7 years and I've never regretted my choice. If you still think trading is madness, then you just don't know how awesome it can be, especially when it's fast. I'll show you how to get the most out of trading. Alright, let's get started. I've already picked our first pair for today. The first thing I want to do is take a look at the daily time frame. Oh, right there, let me add a clear line at the bottom. There we go, a trend line, and it's already got 4 touches. It's like a magnet for the candle. See how it's pressing up against it? But wait, the last 2 bounces are getting smaller and smaller. This could mean we're about to see a breakout to the downside. So I can feel the tension building. Let's check further. By the way, if we jump straight to the 1-minute time frame right now, we'd see how different everything looks. There is so much going on, and we could take advantage of all these movements. It's so cool. Right now we are just seeing one candle slightly moving up and down. But a trader on the 1-minute time frame could achieve results on all these tiny movements. Can you imagine how much you can do in that time? On the 1-minute time frame, you react instantly, making decisions. It's like driving a car at high speed. You've got to be alert and ready to maneuver. I show you how to drive at high speeds on my Telegram channel. The link is down in the description and in the first pinned comment. Now let's switch to the hourly time frame. Alright, I'll draw a line right here. Just adjusting it a little to make it clearer. Beautiful. Whoa, look at those impulses. Now we see a slanted line below, and it looks like the candle is going to break through it. This is like a tense moment in a reality show. Someone's gotta come out on top. Switching to the 15-minute time frame. Oh, this is more interesting. Let me explain and show you what's going on. I see a resistance level at the top, and the candle could potentially rebound from it. And of course, we can't forget about our trend line below. We need to break through it to keep the downward move going. The tension is building. Now let's take a look at the 1-minute time frame. I'll clean things up a bit and set everything up to show you clearly what's happening. Here we've got a slanted level and a horizontal one. We can see how the candle is already moving at this moment. I will add another level at the top. Now I'll go ahead and place a downward trade because our overall forecast still points to a drop. You're probably thinking, oh no, where is the candle going? This is a mistake. But relax, I feel like this is going to be a false move and we will see it pull back down. So let's go, the session is open and let's see what happens. When I started out, I had no idea what real trading life looked like. I made mistakes, got scared, but I kept going. And now I'm helping others get past the same struggles I faced. Thanks to my guidance, people are reaching 385 a day. And these are not professional traders. They are doctors, store clerks, teachers, even actors. And it doesn't take a lot of time. So it's up to you to decide if you want to join my Telegram. If yes, the link is in the description below this video. Awesome! Our first session went well. I'm happy with that. Now let's move on to the second session with another pair. Let's start with the daily time frame. Oh, what do we see here? A clear upward trend. I'll mark it with a red line. Let me change the color and thickness. Now it's clear. And let's add a green line up top. See that? A resistance level where the candle bounced off before. Looks like it wants to return to that level, but I noticed that the bounce wasn't very strong, maybe just gathering strength for the next push. Looking at the hourly time frame. Oh, here we see a sloping level forming. Let me show you. Once it breaks through, we could head up to the resistance level. The odds are looking good. Switching to the 15 minutes time frame. Now it's getting interesting. I can clearly see a resistance and support level where the candle bounced hard. This looks promising. And now, the 1 minute time frame. There is a support level where there was already a bounce. I see correction forming, and it's created a sloping level that we need to break. I'm moving forward and going long because our overall trend is still upward. On the 1 minute charts, we have a great sloping level that we are about to break with a strong impulse. Let's see what happens. And great result, guys! That was exciting, and the greatest part, a solid finish. I'm really happy with how today turned out, all thanks to the right approach and experience. I tried trading on longer time frames, but I quickly realized that's not for me. Waiting around? No thanks. That's why I stick to the 1 minute time frame. It's my place. Get in, get out, and done. No need to be stuck on charts for hours or days when everything happens right away. True freedom. Get in, get out, and carry on with your life. Of course, there is more volatility here. Everything's moves fast, but that's the thrill. You've got to stay on top of the market. Sharp swings can be a bit stressful at first, but that's part of the trade. Sometimes a news event will knock the price, of course, but it's not a big deal. Another advantage, instant results. On longer time frames, you could be waiting for a week for something to happen. But here you see it right away, yes or no. It's all clear and simple. Of course, there are downsides. You've got to make a lot of decisions quickly, which can add stress. But that's part of getting experience, and 1 minute time frames are perfect for that. Many beginners start here, and that's the right move. Sure, it's harder than trading on calm 4-hour charts where time moves slowly. Here, everything's faster, and you've got to learn to react and separate noise from real market moves. That's a crucial skill that will help you on any time frame. Well, the session is done, and I hope you now understand how important analysis and the right approach are in practice. Seriously, why guess when you can see how strategies work in real time? Don't take unnecessary risks, learn from others' mistakes. Join my Telegram channel where 18,000 people are already learning. They're already making an average of 385 a day. The link is in the description and pinned comment.